Hi, today we're going to insert a picture into an article. The first thing you need to do is click where you want the image to appear. So we're going to put our cursor there. Then we're going to click on the picture of the tree. This will bring up a small window for us to actually put the picture into our article. If you actually know the URL, you can type it into this box. In most cases, you're going to want to upload a new image, so you're going to click on the button to the right of that field. This will bring up a file browser. This will let you see the images that are already on your computer, on your server. If you click on one of those, you'll get a preview of that image on the bottom right, and you can click Send to Editor and immediately go to the back to the box. In this case, then we're going to upload a new image. We're going to click on the Browse button, the Upload, and then the Browse, which will bring up a new window, letting us browse on our computer to find the image that we want to upload. I double click, but you could single click and then click the Open button. Now that the name of the file is there, we're going to click on the Upload button. This will upload the picture and then show us a preview of that picture that we just uploaded. And once we're happy, we're going to click Send to Editor, which will take us back to the first window. Each picture needs a description and a title. These are more for search engine use than ours. So make the descriptions as good as you can. Then we're going to click on the Appearance tab. The first thing we see is the alignment box. And we're going to use one of two alignments, either the left or right. Do not use the others. Left or right only. Once you start changing options here on the appearance, you will notice that there is a preview to the right that shows you kind of what your system is going to look like once you've finished all of this work. So first we chose left. Now if we choose right, the picture jumps to the right side instead of the left. We're going to move it back to the left because that's where we really want it. The next item is the size of the picture. This is already set to the actual size of the image. In most cases, you're going to want to have your image sized appropriately before uploading it. You can change the dimensions here, but it does not actually change the size of the picture. It just changes the size of the display of the image. If you're not careful, you could upload a huge image, make it look small, it's going to look bad, and it's still going to cost the person 2 megabytes of download time. Next, we're going to put a little bit of space around the image, some vertical space and horizontal space, just so the text doesn't crunch right up against it. When we're happy with what we have, we're going to click the Insert button, which puts the picture into our article, back in the editor. Click the Save button. And now, our picture has been published on the internet. Thanks. If you have any questions, as always, you can contact me at john@midshorelife.com.